Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are from BPVC. In here we will introduce our group and explain about a promotion video in Menganti Beach at Kebumen Central Java. My name is Mutiara Mulde Purnaning Tias.
Hello, my name is Nawang Taufika.
Hello, my name is Niswatul Arifa.
Hello, my name is Pevita Wulandias.
According to Law Number 10 of 2009 concerning tourism, it is stated that a tourist attraction is anything that has uniqueness, beauty, and value in the form of a diversity of natural wealth, cultural, and man-made product that become means or destination for tourist visit. As an archipelagic country which has 70% of the sea area of the Republic of Indonesia, Indonesia has a very potential coastal area, one of which is the beach. Menganti Beach is one of the beaches located in Karangduwur Village, Ayah District, Kebumen Regency, Central Java Province, Indonesia, which is the only wet sandy beach in Kebumen, and is one of the most beautiful beaches on the south coast. Menganti Beach is also referred to as Indonesia's New Zealand. It is said so because this beach presents view like New Zealand. Previously, the beach was just a beach where fishermen landed after looking for fish in the middle of the sea. But after seeing the beauty of this beach and its considerable potential as tourist spot, so the Kebumen district government began to build several sorting facility to provide comfort for visitor or tourists. Natural beauty is the main potential attraction for this Menganti Beach tourism object. The attraction include natural scenery, green hills, rocks, cave by the beach, white sand, and a sunset that really spoil the eyes of visitor or tourists, as well as the various activity offered by the beach that has the potential to be enjoyed by tourists or visitor.
Menganti Beach, it is located about 40 km from the city center of Kebumen. You just need to go south for about an hour. The route taken Kebumen, Petanahan, Puring, Karangbolong, Menganti. Or it could be by taking the Kebumen-Bambang route and then follow the route to Jati Jajar. The travel time required is relative same, an hour. From the Kebumen city, visitor take Daniel Street and then turn right towards Subuk Beach in the Puring Subdistrict. After that, visitor will cross the Subuk Bridge and will meet a T-junction. And the right direction goes to Gombang, and then left goes to Ayah Subdistrict. After taking a left, visitor will follow the 6 km long road with a travel time 13 minutes. After that, visitor will meet another T-junction, the right direction toward Ayah Beach and Cilacap, and the left direction towards Karangduwur Village. Take the direction to the left, follow the road until you find the entrance to Menganti Beach. From here, the view of the Southern Sea can be seen. Turn the road and the right and left in the from a ravine. Arriving at the beach, don't forget to take the time to see the beauty of Menganti Beach from the viewing post during turn the before Menganti Beach. The condition of the route to the beach is very good, even though visitors have to pass through a winding route and go up and down because they have to pass through the hill to get to the Menganti Beach. But there is no need to worry about going to the Menganti Beach. There are many also safe points to make it easier for visitors to get to Menganti Beach. Parking area it is also spacious, so it make it easier for visitors to park their vehicle, and there are officers guarding the parking area, so visitors don't have to worry.
Menganti Beach has a variety of attractions that can be enjoyed by tourists. This attraction become an attraction for tourists to visit, including first, on the beach. Tourists can relax the body by enjoying the panorama of white sand while looking at the sunset accompanied by the sound of waves hitting the rocks. Tourists can also play making sandcastle and do beach sports such as volleyball, soccer, swimming, even surfing or just enjoying young coconut on the beach. Second, on the hill, tourists can explore the hill and do camping activity. Tourists can explore the hill at the east, namely the Gazebo Hill. The reason why that name is Gazebo because of the many gazebo built to support tourist activity. There are also Mangunang Hills, Red White, and Cave by the Beach, which are used as photo spot for tourists. Third, at this beach, an attraction this one no less interesting in the existence of a fish auction, where tourists before leaving the beach can buy fresh fish to take home. And in addition, tourists can also enjoy the attraction of reading air balloons and playing hanging bicycle.
There are many activities that we can do in Manganti Beach, such as hunting photo, enjoy seafood on the beach, camping on the hill, play volleyball, surfing, take a hot air balloon ride, ride a hanging bike, fishing, play sand, see the sunset and sunrise on the hill, stop at fish auction, see fishing boats, and relax in the gazebo while looking at the view. Based on review from TripAdvisor and Google Map page, travelers are satisfied after visiting Manganti Beach, although the terrain to Manganti Beach is quite extreme because of the steep and windy road. The road conditions are good, and the challenging journey paid off with the stunning panoramic beauty of Manganti Beach. Many tourists refer to Manganti Beach as the New Zealand of Indonesia, because the beach is surrounded by beautiful green hills. Entrance ticket to Manganti Beach is also quite cheap, which is 15,000 rupiah, and includes parking fee. Only by paying 15,000 rupiah, tourists can already enjoy various tourist attractions in Manganti Beach. Tourists are also quite satisfied with the taste of seafood sold in food stall on the beach. In addition to tourists who are allergic to seafood, there are also stalls that sell other foods such as mendoan, pecel, meatballs, chicken noodles, and so on. Manganti Beach is also quite clean and has complete facilities.
Okay, in here I will explain about tip and trick go to Manganti Beach. If a trip to Manganti Beach is incomplete if you don't provide tips and tricks, so that tourists can be better prepared to travel. The beach is a tourist destination with exotic view and the sound of waves, and they are unique and makes the beach always great. For that it is necessary there are preparation and tips and tricks go to Manganti Beach. As follow as is the first one, pay attention to the season and weather. So for a trip Manganti Beach, tourists must pay attention to the season weather because season is determined so that we can or not enjoy the exotic scenery at Manganti Beach. Therefore, tourists can travel to beach during the dry season from April to September to make it safer when traveling, so that tourists can enjoy a beauty the beach which of course and see that the sunset and sunrise. Second one, prepare a luggage. Because leaving for the beach, of course, tourists must bring a luggage, so that there is no need to buy or rent on the beach. Tourists can bring such as glasses, mats, change of clothes, hats, camera, and etc. And the third, it is a prepare for the use of clothes because the train to Manganti Beach is quite difficult. Tourists are advised not to wear clothes that are too complicated because it can make it difficult for tourists on the trip, and it's possible the tourists will fall and get caught by a rope or plants on Manganti Beach. And the fourth, don't forget to use sun cream and sunblock. When traveling to the beach, of course, you will be exposed to the sun. To protect your body and the face, you will better use a sun cream and sunblock so that the body and the face are not black after playing at Manganti Beach because of the atmosphere during dry season, very hot and scorching. 5. beginning and drinking water. Because the train to get to Menganti Beach is quite difficult, you have to walk uphill on the main bridge. It requires strong stamina, so tourists must minimally drink a lot of water before walking and take it to drink when resting. Have a don and don'ts for a tourist. The first one, don'ts. Don'ts litter. For cleanliness and environment sustainability at Menganti Beach, tourists should not litter because not a biodegradable waste can be carried by water to the beach, causing damage to marine life. And the second, not bathing on the beach. For safety and security, tourists are forbidden from bathing in the sea because Menganti Beach is famous for the price waves and salt cold. And the three, do not damage coral, plants, and trees. To preserve nature in Menganti, visitors are not allowed to damage the natural potential of Menganti Beach because of this can damage the beauty of the beach. Do in Menganti Beach. The first one, tourists can play in water on the shoreline because the shoreline is safe enough to play in the water. Tourists can play in the water in the beach area but not allowed to protect too much into the beach. Visitors are allowed to carry out activity in Menganti Beach which have been provided such as taking a picture, camping on the hill, surfing, fishing, fishing, and etc.
If you are on vacation in Central Java, don't forget to visit Kebumen, and you can explore its various natural attractions. Yeah, who doesn't know Kebumen? One of the area in Central Java that has extraordinary natural beauty. Kebumen has forests, beach, and also beauty city. Kebumen is famous for its calming beach. One of them is Menganti Beach. Menganti Beach is famous for its history and also amazing views. Here, besides being able to see the beach, you can enjoy seeing the view from high cliffs with ocean views. Interesting, right? The cost to enter the beach area is also fairly cheap, enough 15,000, include parking fees, and you can explore the beach to your heart content. Here you can enjoy the scenery, play volleyball on the beach, culinary tours, and many other activities that are no less interesting. So don't hesitate to come to Menganti Beach because the beach is addictive. Anyone who comes here will visit again and again because it is crowded attraction tourists. It is the end video promotion from our group. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.